Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I want to have a quick talk about these keys we make to code. So basically you get a lock like this, and if you can see this lock, you can see in the center of the lock is like a divot, and on either side there's an equal sort of dark section where the key goes in. This is the lock we're talking about. If you look at your lock and it doesn't look the same, like these two are not the same, okay, and also you look at the number, not the same, it actually has to be the same. Take this one for example. You can see the circle in the middle, and most of the black section is over one side, not the same. Although they have the same similar type mushroom on the top, they're not the same. For this one here, this is A to H, and so A001 to H99. Here's a better example where you can see the number G69, and it's laser engraved. It's very hard to see. We basically make keys for these type of locks. Is that the key? Yeah, that's the key for that one. On your key there, it also has G69. The laser engraving does kind of, wear away, so it is hard to see. Make sure you use a magnifying glass or your phone or something to actually read it. Another point here to identify it is if you look at the code, it's been laser engraved. It's not stamped as far as this one here is stamped. If you can see the difference, it's actually got like a piece of metal, they hit it with a hammer and it's indented into the metal. This one here is not indented into the metal, it's basically just marked the metal. So that's another key indication of what you're looking at. These two locks are the same, but one of them has the number, one of them doesn't. One of them has a bit of a little black dust cap, the other one kind of doesn't, but they are the same. So A001, you want to see that where this black mark is. Okay, when you're looking at it, A001, and it can go all the way to H99. If you've got more than 3 numbers, it's not going to work. If you don't have a letter in front, between A and H, it's not going to work. If the lock does not look the same as this, it's not going to work. If your lock is faulty, damaged, screwdrivered, recoded, it's not going to work. Once these keys are made, there is no refund, so you have to take that chance assuming that your lock is working. If your lock is not working, we cannot help you. So basically we can only make the keys. Once the keys are made, the money's been spent and they've been sent out, that's it. So if they work, good. If they don't, there's nothing we can do. We don't guarantee them to work. We only guarantee you that we've cut the keys to the specifications. That's what we do. We look it up on computer. Computer tells us how to cut it. We cut it exactly to the millimeter, to the 10th of a millimeter, we cut it. Now, these are for the brands Evergood, Excalibur, King Chrome, Richelieu, I think it is, and then Sandalford and Stilford. You might have a lock exactly like this on those products. If you do, this is the key for you, and you will notice the lock or the code being in that sequence. If you find your code is out of that sequence, don't order. You're just wasting your time and your money and our time. But if it is, then we'll cut you 2 keys. This one here is going out for a customer. Their one has H07. So you get 2 keys. If you need more than 2 keys, just select add keys to it and we will send you another key. The first 2 keys cost a premium because we have to set the machine up. After that, if you want a 3rd or a 4th, it's not that more expensive. Same price as a normal key cut. You'll get them together just like this on a card, on a string. We can post them out to you. Never post your keys to a mailbox which is locked. It's just not going to happen. What will happen is the mailman will do exactly what his job is, and he'll just put them in that mailbox, and you will still be locked out of your mailbox. I have another one again today. On the instructions, do not put into mailbox. It's very hard to deliver anything when you're an Australian Post guy, when you've been given an address of a mailbox and then ask them not to use the mailbox. So it's just not possible. Anyway, send them to your work, your colleague, wherever you can access them is the moral of the story. These are the keys, we cut them. A to H, so A00 to H99. We'll send you 2 keys and away you go. It's a lot cheaper than having to get a locksmith out or take your toolbox or your mailbox into a locksmith shop. Might be the viable option rather than having a locksmith attend. Okay, thanks for watching.